Hi, Budi here, founder of Contracko. Today I'm showing you our new external sharing feature. This allows you to share contracts outside of your organization without paying for an additional seat, which allows you to, for example, share a contract or its related documents to a freelancer, a lawyer, or somebody else you're working with who you don't want to give access to all or more of your contracts within the Contracko environment. Here's how it works. If you go to a contract, in this case, this has two attachments or documents. You can go to the ellipses here in the menu, press share externally, and generate a sharing link. It will expire in either 1, 7, or 28 days for security, and you can toggle what access you want to give the recipient. Should they only be able to view, also be able to download, and you want to bust the link after a first visit or not. In this case, we also want them to be able to download. This produces a link which is automatically copied. Now if I open this here in an incognito window, you'll see what the recipient would see. They can download the documents here, succinctly get a summary of the contract's details, and this allows you to conveniently share stuff outside of your organization without needing to pay for extra seats, giving you easy control. And also it's really lovely because if you share this externally, this link, but then in the meantime you were to update the details of the contract, the metadata or the documents, those would be reflected for the person reviewing this link.